guys, I have so much question from TikTok from guys. Thank you so much for liking my videos and give me support. I really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. So how can I start sculpting? You need to understand, for doing something you need a time. Anything needed time to learn. That's why you need to have a patient, because patience is the best you can have when you do some creation. It doesn't matter you're doing drawing, you're doing creating some polymer, clay, some toys, or you just sewing or knitting. It doesn't matter. The time it's best and practice is the best you can learn. Okay, this is tip number 1. 2, when you do something, try to concentrate. Okay, don't put some randomly some video game or film and start doing something. No, you need to concentrate what you do, because you want to get result. And believe me, all the time when you do something you will get better and better, and practice is the best what you can do. Number 3, you need to be really curious. Learn from other artists. Watch what they do, follow them, leave a comment, like them, learn. Just be very curious, okay? Because anything you do, curiosity is a key to succeed what you love to do and get better and better. Okay, and number 4, don't search for motivation. Motivation isn't your passion, because you need to understand, if you don't like to do it, don't do it. Just don't waste your time, don't waste your money, don't waste your other people's nerve and stress everybody and stress all around, surround your family. Just don't do it. Be honest with yourself. If you like it, start. Don't think about it, I'm gonna get there, it's gonna happen, or I'm gonna be good or not. Believe me, you just have to start if you like it. Alright? Number 5, you need to understand to don't say, oh, I'm very bad on that, oh, I don't think I can do, oh, I'm really bad on this. Okay, I was awful. Okay, every artist was awful. If you see their previous work, how they start and how they now, it takes time, it works, and your hands get better and your brain gets better. You are gonna be more creative, you're gonna be more faster, you're gonna be more growing and get experience. That you should remember. If you just can't clay anything, it doesn't matter. The matter, do you want to do it or not? That you have to be honest with yourself. Okay, not because your friend, you thinking, oh yeah, I need to impress my friends, oh I need to impress my mom and dad. No, you need to ask yourself, do I really want that? Do I really like it? Because any work, anything you do, you need to love. Because in the middle of the way, you're gonna be thinking, oh, I'm gonna give up, I don't want to, No, just have courage to do it and believe in yourself. Even though everybody, I know it's very hard to believe yourself, but remember, practice is the best, time is the best. Just start, okay? I hope, guys, this is all my 5 tips is help you, and thank you for liking my videos, thank you for sharing my videos, and thank you guys from TikTok who support me for all the time, leaving comments and asking me how I am. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Have a lovely creation time. Woo!